Wait, you can earn money while browsing, and it's legit? This is from Perplexity, the AI company. Perplexity just launched a new AI browser called Comet, originally worth $200, now completely free. And here's the best part. You can refer it to friends and earn real money through their referral program. Let me show you the exact workload to set this up and start earning. Step 1. Download. First, click the link in the description or pinned comment below. You'll land on the Comet homepage. See that big blue Download Comet button? Click it. Step 2. Email verification. Now here's where most people mess up. You'll see an email verification page. Enter your email and hit continue. Check your inbox. The verification code should arrive in about 10 seconds. Copy it, paste it, and verify. Step 3. Install. The download starts automatically, no extra clicks needed. Once the file is downloaded, run the installer. Takes about 30 seconds. Step 4. Log in. Open Comet and log in with the same email you just used for verification. Step 5. Start earning. At the bottom of the homepage, you'll see Invite and Earn. Click it. This gives you the option to open the Dub dashboard. Click that, complete your profile, create your unique referral link, and start sharing. For every successful installation through your link, you get paid. That's it. Link is below. Go grab it and start earning.